Good evening, everybody. We're the UAF Iñu-Yupiaq dance group. Good to see everybody. We're really excited to be here tonight, and thank you, AFN, for inviting us back again. So our next song that we're gonna do is called Tiŋun. It's an Inu-Yupiaq song, but we got some words to say first.
Yeah, first of all, we'd like to, we'd like to thank John Pingay for letting us use his song today, the one we just did, the prayer song from Chivak. And we'd also like to dedicate this performance to all the people, all the dancers and singers who came before us and made the songs and the ones that we dance today. And we'd also like to dedicate this to the soldiers who are in Iraq right now. And there's one specifically too that we'd like to think about. His name is Private Ryan Lecomte. And just all the people who are out there, we'd like to keep them in our thoughts. And Minnie has a little bit more.
Yeah, Private Ryan Lecomte, he's a U.S. Army soldier, and basically he's gone through a lot of neurological traumatic. Is it working? There we go. Okay, we'd like to dedicate this especially to Private Ryan Lecomte. He's U.S. Army, and basically he's gone through 5 years of tour through Iraq, and he's suffering a lot of neurological brain damage, and basically he can't even acknowledge his own thoughts. And right now he has 5 children that he's trying to support, but at this time the U.S. Army is trying to discharge him dishonorably. So we would just like to keep this soldier in our thoughts along with many of the other Native soldiers that are out there. So, Quyana.
Tiŋun!
Point Nooks!
At Kavaliki, airplane, Tiŋun. Imasik.